welcome to the point, and I hope and I wish to be you in a good health and practicing well. Okay, till now I have covered square root and cube root. So today I will cover problems based on the cube roots. Okay, if you have not seen that video, so at the last of this video there will become a playlist. One playlist will come. On that you can see the problems on cube roots, how the short trick is applied for the cube roots. Okay, so today class is the for the cube roots. Okay, so even if before watching this video you go to the last of this video and find out the playlist of the quantitative aptitude, in that short tricks for the cube roots is given. Short tricks as well as basics of the cube roots is given. First you watch that video, then you watch this video. Okay, that will be helpful, and if you have watched that video, then it is easier for you to understand. Okay, right now I am going to start the problems on the cube roots. Okay, so before going ahead, subscribe the channel so that you get the notification in time of my class. Okay, subscription button is there where you are watching the video. Down below is subscription written. Press that button, and beside that is a bell icon. Okay, so now I am going to start again. Suppose write a question. Volume of cube. Okay, so volume of cube is a cube. Okay, this is the formula, volume of cube. Surface area of cube 6a square diagonal of cube a root 3. Okay, these three formula is used in solving the problems of cubes. Now I will tell you how the previous class will help you in solving these questions. Okay, only these three formula. Volume of the cube is side cube. A means side of the cube. Make one cube here. Suppose this is one cube, so side, this is A. Okay? Side is denoted by A. So side of the cube, side cube is the volume of the cube, and there will be 6 faces. So each face square is side square. So 6 faces you can imagine this, then opposite these 2 faces, this and opposite these 2 faces, this and opposite these 2 faces. So there will be total 6 faces. So formula is 6a square, 6 into side square, and the diagonal from this side here to this is this diagonal. This is known as the diagonal of the cube. So the formula of the diagonal of the cube is side root 3. Okay, side root 3. So how this will help? Write a question. Suppose a question is, write a question. Volume of cube is 1728. Okay, find surface area and diagonal of. Okay, this is the question. This is simple 1 mark question. Volume of a cube is 1728. Find surface area and diagonal of the cube. Otherwise, find only surface area or find only diagonal of the cube. And you don't know what is the cube root of this number. Okay, you don't remember? Then use simple trick I have told you already. 1728. Leave these 3 digits, remaining 1. Okay, so the cube of 1 is 1, so here it will come 1, and if unit digit is 8, then the unit digit of cube root will be 2. Okay, this I have already covered in last class. You watch that video. So cube root of 1728 is 12. Okay, so now you can easily find out 6a square. 6 into a square is equal to 6 into 12 square, 12 square, and 6 into 12 square is 144. You can multiply 6 4 is 24, carry 2, 6 4 is 24, and 2 6 26, carry 2, 6 1 is 6, and 2 8. So this will be the surface area of the cube. Same way you can find out the diagonal. Diagonal is a root 3, means side root 3. This will be the diagonal. So whenever volume of cube is given, it means it is a perfect cube. Okay, so whenever volume of the cube is given, it means it is a perfect cube, and there this trick will work properly. Whatever I taught you, this will work very properly, and you can easily solve. You can very easily solve these questions in less than 10 seconds. Okay, 1728, cube root is 12, then surface area is 6a square, diagonal is a root 3. Only these 3 formula is working for the cubes. Okay, take another example. Volume of cube is 4913. Okay, volume of cube is 4913. Find out diagonal of the cube. Diagonal of the cube. Okay, so 4913. Either you should remember what is the cube root of this number. Even if you don't remember, then you can calculate by the trick. 4913. Leave these 3 digits 4. So 1 cube is less than 4. 2 cube will be 8. That will be more than 4. So here write 1, and if unit digit is 3, then here it will become 17. Okay. So 3 if here, then here will come 7. If here 7 is there, then here it will come 3. Okay. Now diagonal, it is very easy. Root 3, it means 17 root 3. Very easily using that trick, you can do this one number question in less than 10 seconds. Okay. There is no doubt that if volume is given, that will not be a perfect cube. That will be a perfect cube. Okay. Suppose this number is given. Volume of cube is given this number. Volume of cube. Now by factorization, it will take a lot of time. You cannot remember this number. What is the cube root of this number? So you have to go by that trick only, because it is a volume of cube, so it is a perfect cube. Okay. So take out that trick. 47, last 3 digit, then remaining 3. Okay. Now see, cube of 6 is 216. Cube of 6 is 216, and 7 is 343. Okay, so 343 will be more than 250, so we have to take here 6, and if here is 7, then unit digit will be 3. Okay, so this 63 will be the side of the cube, and another calculation you can do easily. A root 3 will be the diagonal, 6a square will be the surface area. You can put this value and calculate. Okay, very easily you can do by knowing that trick. If you don't know trick, this number will be a big problem for you, and you will leave a question, very easy question, and you will lose 1 mark. Okay, so you should not forget that trick, and by that trick you can do this question. Okay, let us take us another example. So this is the number. This big number is the cube of a volume of a cube. Okay, volume of a cube. This is volume of a cube. Now find out the surface area or side of the cube or diagonal of the cube. Whatever you have to find out is the given the question. Very easily you can find out. Very easily. Make this pair again. 614. Cube of 8 is 512. Cube of 9 is 729. Okay, so 729 is more than this. 8 is 512 is less than this. So here it will become 8, and unit digit is 5. It means here it will become 5. So side of the cube will be 85. Okay, side of the cube will be 85. No need to do the cube root by the multiplication or factorization method. Okay, so side of the cube will be 85. Now you can calculate the surface area, that is 6a square, 6 into 85 square. I have already told you how to do the square of a digit whose last digit is 5. It means 5 5 are 25, and 8 increase 1, 8 9 are 72. Multiply again, 6 5 are 30, carry 3, 6 2 are 12, 3 15, carry 1, 6 2 are 12, 1 13, carry 1, 6 7 are 42, and 1 43. So this will be the surface area of this cube. Okay, so by this trick, within 10 seconds you can solve any question on cube. Whatever is asked, only 3 formulas are there on the cube. One is the volume, one is the surface area, and one is the diagonal. Trick you already know. Cubes up to 20 cubes and cube roots already you remember. If you don't remember, then trick is there. Apply the trick. Suppose this number is given and you don't remember what is the cube root. Easily you can find out what is the cube root. Here 1 will come, here 5 will come. Okay, so cube root of this number is 15. Take another number, 4096. Okay, 4096. Easily you can find out. Here 1, 2 cannot come because 2 is cube is 4, 8, and that is more than 4. So 1 and 6, cube of 16. Very easy, very easy. In a 1 second you can find out a cube. Okay, 1 second. 6, take another number, 6 at 5 9. Find out the cube. 1 and 9, 19 will be the cube root of this number. Further calculation you can do. Okay, so when you practice up to 20 numbers, cube and cube root, you can do it, remember, by heart. Okay, and the bigger number you can do by this short trick, so it will be easier, and your 1 marks is confirmed from the chapter of cube and cube roots. Okay, thanks a lot. Keep watching the video, subscribe and like. Okay.